And how to install it on Windows is very similar. I'm gonna upload soon screencasts on how to do that. So the first thing we need to do is just go to the Eclipse web page. So open your web browser and type in eclipse.org. Here you will see there are a few different tabs. The one that we want is downloads. And again, here it can be a little bit confusing. There are a lot of different versions of Eclipse and plugins and everything. What we want is the very basic, the standard Eclipse edition. So that's this first link here. You can see here on the right side it shows for macOS because it will recognize my operating system. But let's click on this link, and here on the right side you will see download links for the three most popular operating systems: Windows, macOS, and Linux, and the version 3264 for each one of these. Because I'm installing on macOS 64-bit version, I'm going to choose this link. If you're installing on Windows, you can go here or here, depending on your operating system. If you have any problems, just bring your laptop to lab next week and I'll be glad to help you, or come to office hours. So once you click here, there's a download link. In case this download link doesn't work or it's too slow, you can always scroll down here and choose any of these mirrors. Choose a mirror in the United States so it's faster to download it. So I'm just gonna go and click on this first link and the download will start. And once it finished downloading, I'll show you how to install it. So let's now install Eclipse. We'll first gonna go to downloads and click on this archive with the extension .tar. So when you click on it, it will get automatically extracted and it will create a directory Eclipse. What we want to do is drag this directory to the application directory. So just drop it here. And now you should be able to see the directory here. If you open this directory, you will see there's an icon, Eclipse icon, and depending on your security settings, when you click on it, when you try to open it, you might get something like this. And don't worry about this, it's not a big problem. Eclipse, it's not a security threat to your system. It just means that it doesn't have some key needed for it. What you can do is just press the control button and click on Eclipse, and now choose open. So this will add an exception for this application. Do you want to open it? Yes, you do want to open it. And there you go, Eclipse is starting now. The first time you open Eclipse, it might take a little bit longer than usual. But don't worry, the first thing it's gonna ask us is what is the workspace we want to use. So you can leave it to be the default directory. If you want to, you can experiment with other versions. I'll just leave it this way. And press OK. So yeah, now we can see Eclipse is loading all its necessary plugins and tools and everything else. So once it finishes that, you can see this welcome screen. If you want to, you feel free to close it. What we want to, you can feel free to close it, or just go to the overview so you can learn some stuff about Eclipse. So that's pretty much about installing Eclipse. In the next screencast, I'm gonna show you how to create a basic Java project, and we're gonna create our first program, the standard in computer science, and that is Hello World.